In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the day separator in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having a clear visual demarcation of your trading days can hugely enhance your chart analysis. So let's jump right in and see how you can modify these settings with ease. First, let's start by heading to a chart. For today's demonstration, we'll be using the BTC/USD chart on TradingView. However, you can apply these steps to any chart you're working with. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have your chart open on the screen. Now, direct your attention to the top menu of your TradingView interface, where you'll find the option labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on this. It will open up a search bar and a list of different indicators you can apply to your chart. This is your entry point to accessing and modifying various overlays and technical indicators that can help customize your trading setup. Once you have the indicators panel open, type in the word highlight into the search box. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the options available to you. You might see several suggestions pop up, but you're looking for the specific setting labeled Daybreak Lines. This setting is designed to help you visually delineate the end of one trading day and the start of the next on your chart. Once you spot the daybreak lines, click on it to bring it into action on your chart. Now that you've activated the daybreak lines, let's talk about modifications. If at any point you want to remove or adjust these lines, you can easily do so from the same indicators panel. Clicking the highlight option within the daybreak line settings will allow you to customize their appearance further or disable them if you prefer a cleaner chart. Furthermore, you might notice options like 2 appearing within these settings. This might refer to specific configurations or styles you can choose from, adjusting how the day separators behave or look. If you're aiming for a change, click on these options to see real-time updates reflected on your chart, giving you a chance to experiment with what style best suits your analytical needs. Lastly, to make any final customizations or confirm your changes, look for the highlight button once again. This acts as a toggle or confirm switch for applying your chosen settings. By following these straightforward steps, you'll easily manage the visibility and style of day separator lines on your TradingView charts, enhancing